Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm here for another service call today, calling for no heat. Now, we have an issue where the unit is not staying on. The heat is turning on, the flames are on, and they happen to turn off. So I think we have a dirty flame sensor. Now, what we're gonna do is test that theory and remove the flame sensor and see if we could fix our problem. Alright, so we're gonna remove our flame sensor. Alright, we got it. Here we are. Here's some Scotch-Brite. And remove it so you guys can see. If you can't see. That should do it. Nice and clear. Let's give it a shot. Just screw it back in. Okay. I got my R and W jumped out. Let's see. Guys, the dirty flame sensor was. Like and smash that subscribe button for more content.